Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. I am not going to waste any time with my normal spill today because this is a rare job lead that I want to just quickly share and get out there. The financial group, Lincoln Financial, is hiring an anti-money laundering processing assistant to work from home. It says they are hiring U.S. all regions, so there are no state restrictions for this position. And best of all, you do not need any experience to get started. Now, we'll quickly go through the job posting, but I just want to real quick say this is something good to get your foot in the door. If you want to be in the financial field, but you have no experience and no degree, then how do you get started? Most companies either require a degree and some education, or they require experience. It's very rare that you have a company that doesn't require either one and they're willing to fully train, but this company is, and so that's when you take advantage and get the experience from this job, and then you have experience to put on your resume to move into bigger and better things. So that is why I wanted to share this opportunity. Now, of course, pay is always dependent on the skills that you bring to the table. So the pay range here is wide. It is anywhere from $12.60 an hour all the way up to $18.89 an hour. And it does say you have a 5% bonus potential. Now, it does say this is a remote work from home opportunity. They are looking for someone to be responsible for validating anti-money laundering training completions for their producers. So for the partners and producers of Lincoln Financial, they require them to go through these training classes. And so you will have to validate the completion of those training classes for their partners. You'll need to send correspondence to the partners who have not completed their training to let them know they need to get on that. You will work in multiple systems and platforms such as AWD, PMAX, Impact, and Web CRD. You'll make positive contribution to the team by making any suggestions for improvement in learning new skills and procedures and processes, and you'll identify and recommend process improvements. Now, must-haves are a high school diploma or a GED, but no college degree. And then right here, no prior experience required. Now, they do have a few nice-to-have preferred, which are just the ability to work in a fast-paced environment, good written and verbal communication skills, the ability to perform repetitive tasks, and the ability to be adaptable. It does say that they offer paid time off, they offer competitive 401k, as well as free financial counseling, health counseling, and employee assistance programs. All right, I just quickly wanted to get this out there, but if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.